Alright, let's create a visual host. So this way you can browse your project in by just type in your name.me, something like this, in your local environment development. Right, let's do that. Open up your terminals and then type in /, put your password in here. Alright, now we're going to list, let's see what we have in srv httpd. List that. We have test.php in here. I'm going to create one folder in here by typing mkdir and then var.me. So this is going to be my project folder, and we will give the permission of everything in here, and we exit that. If I back into my browser and then I type in 127.00.1 and var.me like this, it's going to be nothing in here. Back into your terminals, type in sudo vim etc httpd configs and then httpd.conf. Hit enter and type in your password. Remember, our password is 1234. I type in include and then I hit enter. We're looking for the line number 514, so make sure that line number 514 that say includes conf extra httpd-vhost.conf is uncommented. Right. Now save the file. So :wq and hit enter. Now we save the file. Type in sudo vim dash etc httpd configs extra and we're gonna need to create the vhost blocks right here. So that will be what you have to type in, then hit enter. Go down here and I am going to copy this. Control V, copy, and then press Y, then press P. What is your website name? Remember my website server admin right here. We're going to change it a little bit, so I need var.me. Down here, document root, we're going to change this. Server name var.me. Alright, this is my vhost file. Now let's save that. :wq, save and close. And then another files that we're going to change, host. And type in your name var.me, remember. Now escape :wq. Next thing, we're going to run sudo systemctl restart httpd and hit enter. Now go back to your web browser and then type in var.me. See, we have anything? We don't have anything, but at least it's work. Now let's navigate inside of our project folder. So cd/srv http and then var.me. Remember, let's get into that and list the file. We don't have any file in here. Now let's create one now, index.html. Now we have the file. Let's edit this file. Put the title is hello, this is my web, body here, or welcome to my blog. like this. Now let's back to your browser and then refresh. So we have welcome to my blog like this. Alright, it seemed to be cool right here. Now let's do like this. So let's install Laravel in our web projects here. Quit that. But before we do that, I'm going to remove this file first, index, because we know that it's working already, so we have nothing to worry about that. Now let's run Composer. Remember that we just install Composer and it's worked very good. Laravel needs Composer, so make sure that you have Composer installed in your machine. But in our case here, we already done that. Now let's type in Composer create project, and we're gonna flag Laravel/Laravel and dot. So this is the command that I run. Composer create project prefer dist Laravel, and we want to create the project inside of this folder, so we just put dot in the end of it. Now I hit enter. Our Laravel is already installed in our project folder. Now let's go back to the web browser and then let's refresh that. What we see in here is something wrong with this. Instead of showing the home page, but it just shows like this. What we do is we're going to type in / and public and then hit enter. So if you see something like this, it means you have to set the permission for your project folder. Let's back into the command prompt. Now what you're gonna do is just type in sudo chmod 77-r, a capital R, srv http, then followed by your folder, your web project folder, then just hit enter and type in the password. Now back to your web browser and then hit refresh, and now you get a proper page. So we're gonna need to fix something to make it get rid of that. So instead type var.me/public. We just only type in var.me and it's going to take us to this page. Now let's do it. You type in sudo vim extra httpd conf extra http vhost.conf. So this is the file that we're going to edit that. Now hit enter. So at the line number 44, I'm going to change here the document root have to look into public folder. So save that, :wq, sudo systemctl restart httpd. Now back to your web browser again. This time let's get rid of the public. Hit enter. So we get our proper page now. Let's edit our first file here. cd in your web project. I'm going to use vim. It's in resources, view, and welcome.blade.php. Let's edit this file. The title is welcome to my blog, and I say hello Laravel. Save file, then back to your web browser and then refresh. Now you can see that we have our proper page. We don't have to run 127.0.0.1 and :8000 at all, because now we can just type in var.me and that will take us to our web project. Anyway, this one is only working in your machine. We're not going to publish this on the live server yet. So you can show this to your friend, or you can use this if you want to. The video just show you that if this is work on your local environment, is also working on the live server as well. Our video here just wrap. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again later. Bye bye.